Sometimes being a student can be hard and we may not know where to start or we might lack inspiration. Once we start feeling more motivated, we will be surprised at what we might learn. Good morning everyone present here. This is Prakriti from class 10. Our exams are fast approaching and many of us have started feeling the pressure, which is natural. I am going to speak few lines on my preparation of board examination, which is very important for those who are in 10th and 12th standard. As we all know that our board examination is just a couple of months away. This time it is very important for us that we do study with proper planning and bid goodbye to all our stress and anxiety. Firstly, I planned for it. From this time, I have to start revision of whatever I have learned throughout the year. My dear friends, we should keep in our mind that the key to get success is systematic and smart preparation for the board examination. To clear my exams and to get good score, firstly I prepared a perfect timetable and divided time for all the subjects, keeping in my mind that in how many subjects I need less or more preparation. I checked previous year question papers, sample papers. I shall not forget to solve the past year questions. I will not leave topics and chapters for the end day. It can create unnecessary pressure on me. I already stopped spending too much time on social networking sites. Morning is most important time to focus on study. So I try to wake up early in the morning. Dear friends, remember one thing. Do not pressurize yourself and keep in your mind that our parents are always with us in any trouble. So let us all focus on our studies and set goals in order to get high marks in board examination, but with sincerity. Thank you.